on the National Day of Iran. Part of it is the exhibit of the different places in Iran. And some of the artifacts, the history that have intricate design of Iran. And also some of the different area from Khuzestan province, Isfahan province, some of Eman Carter Pars province, some of the delicacies from the documentation of the Persian food. Also the Sanshan province, the Dolat Avad Garden Yarn province, the Persepolis province, the Kermasha province, the Kerman province, and the Niyavaran complex Trans province. This is part of the exhibit Aldavil province and the Isfahan province. Yeah, this is part of the exhibit on the National Day of Iran here at the Dusitani Hotel.